Hey guys, welcome to Tech Fusion. We are back with new video on how to get your first talking AI character for free in few clicks. Watch full video and don't skip.
Open your Chrome browser and type https://demo.heygen.com/free-video or in search bar type demo Heygen and click Play. Second search result in the list. Once the site is opened, as you can see on your window that you have two options at the top of the box. One is talking photo and second option is real person avtaar. I am using talking photo as reference to show you how it works. Click on the replace photo link and add your own generated image from any AI tool of your choice saved on your computer. Once file is uploaded, you can either paste your script or write your script below in the blank space. Choose female or male voice, whatever you like, and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, in next window fill up your details and then click on submit. As you click on submit button, a message from Heygen will pop up saying your video has been sent to your email ID provided by you. Once the video arrives in your mail, click on the link where take a look is written, and in a new window your video will open and you can preview the video from there. And you can download the video by clicking on option of download below. For using this site further, you have to pay for the services in Heygen.com, as it provides only 1 credit for the video, or you can fill any other email ID apart from what you have already used. Stay with us and subscribe and hit the bell icon for any other future video with AI and other tech news. Thanks for watching Tech Fusion. Have beautiful life.